What's going on, guys? CH from Homebrew for Life here with a video on how to make a, what are we doing today? How to build a homebrew sparge arm for free. There's a little bit of bullshit in there. It's not like 100% free, but I'm sure you guys have what we need. The thing about sparge arms is you could go to a homebrew store, you could buy a sparge arm for anywhere from $40 to $100. You can make your sparge arm PVC with PVC pipe and drill your holes and stuff like that. I used to do that. I lost that in my move. One day I was brewing, I couldn't find my sparge arm. And I've pretty much been doing this route ever since. What do we need? We need three things. We need silicone tubing that withstands our sparge water at 170 degrees. We're gonna need a big spoon. Now the thing about these big spoons, what I got right here is that the bigger the spoon, like the dome, this one's better, it's got holes in it. You probably have one of these in your kitchen floating around. We're gonna need this, and we're gonna need duct tape. Silicone, duct tape, and my spoon. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna cut your hose about the length of your spoon, and you're gonna connect this to your hot liquor tank, and then this side you're gonna line it up. Now you want your hose to go pretty much on the top part. Flip the spoon upside down, put it on the top part right there, and crank on the valve, and that's pretty much it. I don't know. Is that it? DIY video. If this works for you, please post that in the comment section below. If it didn't work for you, send us anthrax. If you guys like this video, we have a playlist right here you can click on that's got more home brewing tips and tricks. And as always, cheers to eating good and drinking good.